All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today we have the side skirts here from Yeslak. I have it installed on the car already. Looks absolutely amazing, especially with the front lip that I did on the car and with all the other accessories and modifications I did. You can see here it looks amazing. I'm gonna show you guys in this video exactly how to install this. It's pretty easy. I would just say you need a set of car ramps. Two sets of car ramps would be better, so one for the front, one for the rear. I was able to screw in the front of the side skirts by having the front of my car on the car ramps, and then I went ahead and put the car ramps on the back of the car to screw in the rear of the side skirts into the car. Actually, pretty simple install. I would say it took me about not even 30 minutes per side. This is not my first time doing this though. I did this on my 2020 Model Y, throw a picture here, and I used different side skirts. This time I'm using Yeslak side skirts, and it came out really, really nicely. Definitely really accentuates the front lip that I installed on the car here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started with the install.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is go ahead and put the car up on the wheel ramps. So for the first part, you're going to want to start with the wheel ramps on the front wheels, and then for the second part, we'll put the wheel ramps on the rear wheels. If you have two sets of wheel ramps, then you can go ahead and do both the front and rear wheels. Next, we're going to go ahead and assemble the side skirt. So there's 3 screws that go into both pieces of the side skirt that attach them together. So we're going to go ahead and just put them together here, and we'll start putting in the 3 screws. That bigger screw there is the self-tapping screw that we're going to use to screw it into the car, and just putting in the screws here. And it's as simple as that. The side skirt is now assembled, so we can go ahead and put it on the car. The side skirt's now assembled, so we're going to go ahead and put some of the double-sided tape here. This is a pretty strong tape, so it'll at least kind of hold it up as you screw in the side skirts, but you still have to screw the side skirt into the car. The tape alone won't do it to hold it up. So pretty quick and easy. We're just doing 1 layer of tape here, and from there we can go ahead and go under the car. And we're just going to line everything up here underneath the car. Once we see that the front is lined up with the wheel arch there, then we can go ahead, push it up against the bottom of the car, let this tape stick, and we'll go ahead and grab our drill, and we'll start drilling in these self-tapping screws. So I did 1 in the front, now I'm doing 1 towards the rear, just to kind of hold it up. So now that it's held up, we can go ahead and screw in the rest of the screws here. Again, I'm just making sure the alignment is perfect before I go ahead and start drilling in any more screws. So now that the alignment's good, just pushing it in. And with these self-tapping screws, you just want to screw it in until it's tight. You don't want to go more than tight, otherwise the screw will loosen back up as it's a self-tapping screw. So along the side skirt are these holes here that line up. So you can use these holes as a reference point of where to screw into the car. And if you want, you can always screw in more if you need to. You can see here, I think I screwed in an extra 1 or 2 screws, especially on the ends, just to give it extra strength. Now, the side skirt doesn't have as much wind resistance that it's going to be facing, especially compared to something like the front lip. So pretty simple to hold it in. I think I used probably about 10 to 12 screws total. And you can see there, again, I'm screwing in a couple extra in some different spots that I think would benefit holding it in better. One thing I want to mention too is I did use the jack just to lift up the rear of the car a little bit more, since I don't have 2 sets of wheel ramps. This allowed me to get the drill underneath the car to screw in the screw underneath the car because the car was too low before. I couldn't get the drill to fit under the car directly the way it is right now. So just another side note, if you have a jack stand along with wheel ramps, it'll help you a lot with this install.
So we know how my car looked before the side skirts, and we know how it looks now. So let's go ahead and take a look here. And it just looks absolutely amazing. I really love it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. I posted a picture of it a while ago on Facebook, and people loved it, especially with the front lip, like I said. I think putting side skirts on its own would be a little weird. You definitely need the front lip with it to go along with it and make it all look even. The next step now is to do a rear diffuser. So as you guys can see, the install was not hard at all. I think anybody can do this install if you just have a drill, just to drill the screws into it. You just need to use the tape to stick it on. You just need to be able to see to do this, honestly. You need to see and have some hands. Obviously an extra pair of hands would help a lot to help you hold on. Let's say if you're holding the front, somebody can hold the backside for you as you get it in to make sure it's definitely nice and even. This is, again, not my first time doing this, so it's my second time. Found it pretty simple to do with these Yeslak side skirts. So thanks for watching.